Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today we have a special edition in today's newspaper, daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, almost weekend, December the 11th, 2020. Special edition, yes, because we have here in today's newspaper two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light, and a Sudoku Heavy. There's also in this daily newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus, and one of them will be number 2000. Yes, I've already uploaded 2000 Sudokus to YouTube. So a lot of Sudokus to solve. And the first one, yes, I will do, is the Sudoku Light. And this will be number 1997. Yes, 1997. And this one has 9 big squares with 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4 will be 36 printed digits. All right. Let me see. So let's get started. We have a lot of 9, so let me start with a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 9 should be here. 9 in this first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Very strange. Let me continue later. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for a 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for a 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. How about the number 2 in this row? The first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for a 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for a 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. How about the number? Let me see. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for a 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 3. Now I can continue with the 9. How about the 9 in this row? 9 in the row above. So in that row, only place for 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 4. All right. So now 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 1. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the center big square, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for 3 should be there. 3 in this third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only place for 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 5. All right. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 1 number left in the second row for the number 1. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then 1 number left in this middle row for the number 1. 1 missing number in this column for the number 4. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 1 number left in this third column for the number 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4, we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku Light. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku heavy. How heavy? I do not know, but it will be number 1998. Alright, see you then. Bye bye for now.